mėnesiai ir metų laikai. In this video, we'll take a close look into the names of months and seasons in Lithuanian language. The names of months are of different origin than the names of months in English. So it will be interesting to find out what are the origin of those names of months and how can we associate them to remember better. Let's start with the seasons. Pavasaris, pavasaris, vasara, vasara, ruduo, ruduo, žiema, žiema. Pavasaris has prefix pa because it means next to or before. So pavasaris literally means before summer or near summer. Vasara is related to the Slavic word viesna, which means spring. It's related to that word, but it changed phonetically and so on. Ruduo is made from the adjective rudas, rudas, which means brown. And in autumn, leaves turn brown. Thus, the name of season is related with the word brown. And the ending is o. Diphthong o, which is stressed. Ruduo, ruduo. Žiema is also related with Slavic languages, and in Persian language, žiema is zamistan. So it's interesting that that these words are related. Now the months. Sausis, sausis, vasaris, vasaris, kovas, kovas, balandis, balandis, gegužė, gegužė, birželis, birželis. Sausis is related with the word sausas, which means dry, dry, because it's cold in January in Lithuania, and when it's cold and it's snowing, the snow is not wet, it's dry. When it's about 0 degrees Celsius, then the snow is wet. And when it's very cold, the snow is very dry. So that's why, because of the dry snow, January is called sausis. The stress is on o, sausis, sausis, on the second letter of the diphthong, o, o. Okay, Vasaris is a deceptive name of this month, February, because when it starts to get hotter, the sun starts to shine, and the snow isn't melting yet most of the time, but it's a little bit warmer than in January sometimes, and you could think that the summer is coming, vasara. Remember, summer is vasara, so you could say that the summer is coming, vasaris. That's why this month is called vasaris, because it looks like the summer is here, coming soon. An interesting name. Kovas. Kovas is named, this month is named because of a bird, with the name of a bird. The bird is rook, rook in English, rook. And maybe at this time they start to get that sounds, the birds make that sounds in this month, I don't know. Balandis is also named with the name of a bird, which is dove or pigeon, dove or pigeon in English. Balandis, balandis. Again, a little note about stress. You stress this diphthong, un. I'm sorry, not diphthong, but I don't know what's the name of this collocation of vowels, of a vowel and a consonant, and the stress is on the consonant, balandis, balandis. You put the stress on this consonant, Okay, gegužė. I'm sorry, gegužė, gegužė. Gegužė is also a name of a bird, which is in English cuckoo, cuckoo. Maybe they start to make sounds, or I don't know, cuckoo in English. Birželis, birželis is related with the word birch in English, birch. The tree which is called birch, And birch in Lithuanian is beržas, beržas, and the name of month which is related, birželis, with the prefix l, which means a little, which shows littleness of something. Next 6 months: Liepa, Liepa, rugpjūtis, rugpjūtis, rugsėjis, rugsėjis, spalis, spalis, lapkritis, lapkritis, gruodis, gruodis. Okay, Liepa is the name of a tree which is called in English linden, linden in English. Rugpjūtis is a compound noun which is made of two parts. Rugiai, rugiai in Lithuanian is ri, ri, and pjūtis, pjūtis is harvest, ri, harvest. At this time of year you harvest the ri, so it's called, this month is called ri harvest. Rugpjūtis, rugiai, pjūtis, rugių pjūtis, rugpjūtis. Because pjauti means to cut and pjūtis means harvest of ri. When you cut the ri and you get the harvest. Okay, rugsėjis, again, the first part of the word is known, rugiai, which is ri, ri, and sėjis, rugsėjis, sėjo, sėjo means seed, to seed, the past tense. Sėti, sėja, sėjo. Rugsėjis. So this is the time when you seed ri. When you seed ri, it's September. Rugsėjis. Rugsėjis. Spalis is a part of a plant. The plant is called flax. Flax in English. Flax. And in Lithuanian, linas. Linas. And some part of that plant, flax, is called spalis. And at this time of the year, people worked with those parts of the plants, with those parts of flax, with spalis. So that's why October is called spalis. Lapkritis is a simple name because lapai means leaves, leaves of trees, and kristi, kristi, krenta, krito means to fall. And lapkritis means falling leaves, the time of the year when the leaves fall. And actually, in reality, the leaves of trees have already fallen. And in this month, no trees with leaves. All of them have fallen before, in spalis or rugsėjis. And in lapkritis, there are no leaves left, but it's called lapkritis, falling leaves. And the last month, the first month of winter, gruodis, gruodis, gruodas, a similar word with a different ending. Gruodas means lumpy and stiff soil, a soil which is lumpy and stiff because it's cold and the soil freezes and it's lumpy and stiff. Gruodas, and that's why this month is called gruodis. The ending changed from us to is, and gruodis. We get gruodis. Gruodis from the word of lumpy and stiff soil, a hard soil, because it's already cold. Now let's find out how the words season or seasons are derived. Metas, metas, metai, metai, laikas, laikai, laikas, laikai, metų laikas, metų laikai, metų laikas, metų laikai. I hope you understand. When you want to say a year, you must use the plural form, plural noun of the word time. Metai. Metai means 1 year, 2 years, or 10 years. It doesn't matter. Years or 1 year. Metas means time. It's time to do something, but not time in abstract meaning when, oh, the time runs very fast, goes very fast. You don't use in this abstract meaning. You only use when you say it's time to do something, for example. Now, laikas, laikai, laikas means time in the abstract meaning. For example, time goes fast. In this case, you can use time, laikas. And laikai, the plural of times, means times of when a king ruled, and so on. And metų laikas, metų laikai means times of the year. Metų is genitive case of plural. Metų of year, time of a year. Now, how the word month is derived. Mėnulis, mėnulis, mėnuo, mėnuo, mėnesis, mėnesiai, mėnesis, mėnesiai. Mėnulis is moon and it has the prefix ul, which means little. Mėnuo means moon or month. It isn't used very much, and when it has different cases. This is the nominative case, and in nominative case it doesn't have any suffix, and when you change case, for example, you change from nominative into any other case, genitive, accusative, instrumental, it doesn't matter. You must add the suffix s, like in this word. So if you want to talk about months, it's better to use mėnesis, mėnesiai, mėnesis, mėnesiai, because mėnuo has a separate declension of nouns, and you must add the suffix s to other cases, and it will be easier to change cases of this word to declense this noun, because it already has the suffix, and you only need to change the ending. You don't need to add suffixes or so on. So if you're talking about months, you can say mėnesis, mėnesis, mėnesiai, mėnesiai. That's it. Those were the names of months and seasons in Lithuanian.